Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, today I'm gonna be talking to you about a platform called Arc Money. So this is a platform, Arc Money. Um, it's a high yield investment platform where you can invest and get a good percentage to your investment. Alright, this is an interface of the platform here. Alright, here is it. The minimum investment for this platform is $30, so you can invest just $30 in this platform and you make good profit. They got different investment plans. They got investment plans for uh, 6 days, 30 days, and even a year, guys. They have investment plan for 360 days. That is a whole year. So this is a legit platform, and it's a novel platform. Platform just came on board, but it's paying. This platform is paying, guys, and it's very legit, 100% legit. They got 24/7 customer care support, so you can contact their customer service any time of the day and uh, any time of the week. Okay, and they have their SSL and DDoS protection that protect your investments from hackers and whatever kind of malware they want to tamper with investment stuff, something like that. So we have professional execution here and all the stuff. This platform is very transparent and they have high affiliate uh, commission. You get it? So you can invite your friends and you earn 5% and up to 10% of their deposit. So this is very good way of making good cash. All right, 5%. So if you invest a friend and your friend invested, let's say $100, so you're getting 5% of that $100, or about 10% of $100. So 10% of $100 is a $10, right? Yeah, 10%. So that's like $10. So that is something, guys. And if you want to know more about the platform, you just come to this frequently asked questions here and click on the general questions. So if you want to know questions about the whole platform, or you want to just know more about the payment or referral pay. And I really love the interface of this platform, guys. It's really great. So you can just come to general questions here if you want to know everything about the platform. So just in general questions here, you're gonna see stuffs about the platform and you get your questions answered. Alright guys, so we're here right now. So how to invest in Arc Money. This is it. And they have a whole lot of questions here, guys. 15 questions that you need to know about that. This platform is 100% legit. I'm not gonna promote a scam site, guys. Whatever platform I promote on my channel is 100% legit and paying. So I want you guys to go check this out and invest, and you can make some good cash. All right, I'm already a member of this platform, guys, and this platform I can assure you is really paying and 100% legit. So no need for a long talk. You just log into the website. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. You just have to come over here to sign up. Okay, just click on sign up there. Okay, and you come over here. You have your full name. You give your full name here, and you give your address here, and you come over here to your state. You give a state here, and you give your zip code. You define password and everything. So in this place here where you have your perfect money and stuff here, this is where you put your wallet addresses and all of that. So over here is your email address, and here the secret question here is wait. You can ask a question like you can ask yourself a question. Thank you.